In spite of the myriad views on the subject, we must find adequate tools to analyze the long series of financial crises that we have encountered in our country since the end of colonial times. Furthermore, we must develop a language in which to discuss the nature and causes of these crises. So, calling upon our muses in the forms of Jeremy Bentham, John Stuart Mill, David Ricardo, and others, we seek a method of systems analysis and an institutional view, a chaos theory that properly is called dynamic systems theory. In addition, a corollary subset of chaos theory is catastrophe theory. As systems evolve, their various components interact and co-adapt over time.
Often, significant events known as chaotic attractors occur. These attractors have major evolutionary consequences. For example, an asteroid striking the Earth may cause an ice age. This is a case of what evolutionists call punctuated equilibrium, meaning that such a catastrophe would have widespread ripple effects for better or worse.